Hello friends, in this video we will talk about how to heal our body by two ways. First by healing it physically and another by healing it mentally, like mental health issues and other disorders like Alzheimer disease and all. So first let us talk us about the mental health issue. So this is an amazing book called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, in which in the chapter 4 there is mental healing in ancient times. So basically this chapter stresses more on that we have to look in our inner self first of all, rather than pointing out at our brain is not functioning well. Our brain is completely functioning normal. It is just a mental state, and we are saying continuously that we are having mental issues, we are feeling lonely. Moreover, in this pandemic time, people are become very lonely, and they are saying repeatedly that they are lonely, don't have much friends, nor they are very sad. That's why these things get registered in your subconscious mind, and subconscious mind doesn't have a filter which can take good things and filter out the bad things. So if you are attracting sad things or negative vibration and negative energies, then you had to suffer. So if you will think positive and and have a positive attitude and good decision capability, then your subconscious mind will register those good things, and it will help you in your career and it will give you success in your life. So now I will teach you that how we can achieve that vibration. So first of all, we have to completely stop saying all negative things. For example, if we are in any school, then we should not, if for example I am a student, then I should not say कि I am bad in studies, I get very less marks though. So I have to say continuously in my mind that I am good in studies, I will definitely get first rank. I am good in studies, I will definitely get good grades in next exam. I Moreover, this will motivate me, and it will develop a positive attitude in my mind. So by this I can transform myself completely, as my subconscious mind will filter out the filter doesn't have filter, so it will take all the good things that I am saying in my mind, and or it will make a blueprint of the thoughts we make on our conscious mind, and subconscious mind will create those situations close to that, so they will come true in the life. So mainly my point is saying that we have to attract positive frequency and positive vibrations. So you have to think always positive. If you will think bad or such negative things, then you might attract negative vibrations and negative things can happen. If we think about we are having pain in our head. If for then one day or within 2 or 3 days something will fall on your head, or you will definitely have pain in your head. This was completely under your control because you were continually putting thoughts on conscious mind about pain. So it got blueprinted into your subconscious mind, and subconscious mind gave that pain. So if you think positive or do right action in your conscious mind, then nothing can happen you. Thank you.